I'm going to introduce myself again. My name is Aditya. I'm in PhD program. I'm studying chemistry and biochemistry. So, yeah, this is how it's spelled. So today we're going to talk about aerobic respiration and anaerobic. So, before going into the aerobic and anaerobic, I would like to ask, does anybody know what is respiration?
Yes.
Yes. I hope everyone knows, because without respiration, we could not be able to live. So respiration is a process of intaking something like air. In our cases, in humans, it's oxygen. And converting the oxygen into energy. So, do every organism in this world, maybe in this universe, take oxygen as a source or maybe fuel for respiration?
No.
No. So, in the name itself, it's called aerobic, which means we take air, which is oxygen. And anaerobic, so what does they take? Any idea?
Maybe water.
Sorry?
Maybe water.
Close enough.
Nitrogen.
I said no air. So nitrogen comes in there. It can be liquid nitrogen, but not. So these anaerobic organisms like bacteria and other microorganisms, they convert glucose into energy. So how they do that? So in aerobic animals or aerobic respiratory humans or everything, we have mitochondria. If you guys remember mitochondria, okay?
Yeah.
I have someone good enough who can remember. So mitochondria process oxygen, and here in aerobic conditions, we also use different source, including oxygen. Along with oxygen, we will use like glucose and carbohydrates. In presence of ATP. So ATP is a fuel, like a catalyst, which process this into energy. So that's why humans need both air and food in order to should be like energetic and active. Whereas in microorganisms, they don't need air. So if you have a room without any air, they can be still microorganisms. So these guys just intake glucose and convert them into energy. But here in microorganisms, there is no mitochondria. So what does they use? So they use a special thing. They convert the glucose into energy within cytoplasm. So, what is difference between mitochondria and cytoplasm? Humans do also have cytoplasm, which is a space in cell. It can be anywhere. So if you have some organelles like nucleus, DNA, maybe ribosomes, this space in between these organelles is called cytoplasm. Whereas mitochondria, if you take a cell, it's a specific organelle So within here, the ATP and glucose and oxygen is converted into energy. Whereas in bacteria, they're converted everywhere in cytoplasm. So that's how we see like a rapid growth of microorganisms in a certain culture or a plate, whereas human just source. So that's why if you go for aerobic exercises, that's how they work. We intake in aerobic exercises, we intake a lot of oxygen so that it produces a lot of energy. That's why we go and sweat and heat. Our body gets heat up. In order to cool down that body temperature, we sweat. So everybody clear with aerobic and anaerobic? Any questions? So what is aerobic respiration?
Respiration using oxygen.
Good. Any examples?
Humans.
Thank you very much. That's for today. We'll discuss more about this topic later in other next class. Thank you.